Hey guys, I have an interesting story to tell you about the new truck. The other weekend, we were driving up to go up for a weekend trip, and I had the family loaded in the car, truck loaded up with all our camping supplies, driving down the interstate, and a deer ran out into the highway, and a van that was 2 cars up from me hit the deer. Car between me and the van swerved to the left to go around. I swerved to the right to go around, and the deer stumbled and sputtered out from behind the van in front of my truck, and I impacted the deer, unfortunately, with the front of my truck. So what I did is I pulled over to the side of the road, hopped out, took some pictures. I'll put those in here now and kind of show those as I talk through this. The deer impacted the front passenger side of the truck, kind of where the headlight is, smashed up the grill, and then really chewed up the wheel well, all the trim around there. So stopped, called the state police, had them come, and they ended up not doing a police report on it because the truck was drivable. Wasn't any real mechanical damage from what we saw at that point in time. So I kind of trimmed up the wheel well a little bit to make sure I could drive home, and turned around and went home, and loaded up the other car, went on the trip, and then came back to deal with the insurance claim. So when I was on the side of the road also, while the state police were coming, I called the insurance company and put in a claim with them because I could tell the damage was quite extensive to the truck, so wanted to get that started. So I went through with them and went on the trip and came back. So now we're going through the insurance claim and the assessment on the vehicle. So I took the truck in, got a recommended shop from the insurance company. They gave me a few choices. What I did is I went up and looked the reviews at the company's websites online, and looked at those specific locations that were near me and picked one that I thought would be good. So I'm brought it to their location, had an appointment set up for me, brought it to their location, got a rental car, and dropped the truck off for their assessment. So a couple days later, they called me back and kind of walked me through their assessment of the damage. So from what I can tell, from what they were telling me, it's about $9,000 in damage, mostly cosmetic, plastic trim, brackets, things like that, headlight, fog light, grill, the active grill shutter, the intercooler on the passenger side for the passenger side turbo had some dents in it. So a lot of that, nothing beyond the frame, the bumper itself, but everything in front of that primary bumper that's there was damaged, cracked, and so on the passenger side. There was also a dent on the passenger side door. When the deer hit the front, I think it spun around and impacted the side of the truck as well. So there was a nice dent in there. They're gonna smooth that out, fix that, paint that. So a lot of work. It pays to have comprehensive coverage on a truck like this. So obviously I'm very grateful to have that and have that covered. But I think the work, they're ordering the parts now, and the work is scheduled to be done within the first 2 weeks of July, from what I'm told. So they have the truck apart. I'm actually going to run over there and take a video of it or a picture of it so we can see it in the lot. It's just parked outside, all torn down and waiting for those parts to come in. So I will keep you posted on kind of the progress here, and then we'll take a real close look when it comes back to see what the work was done to it, right? What parts were put on, how it looks. We'll do a real thorough check, and I'll do a video of kind of that post-operation, post-fix inspection that we'll do together. So, hey, you know what? Everyone was safe. No one got hurt. I didn't get hit by any cars from behind me or trucks that were on the road all around. So, very grateful that it was just the damage that I took. It really wasn't near as bad as it could have been. So very grateful for that, and looking forward to getting the truck back. So I think this is going to be a learning experience for me. I've never had a vehicle that went through a repair like this, so we'll do it together and we'll kind of show you how much damage a deer can do to a car, which I was surprised at. Compared to some other cars that I've seen hit deer, this seemed to have a lot of damage on the front, so everything kind of was designed to crumble away and rip away. That's outside of the protection of that front bumper. But yeah, we'll take a look at it and go from there. I'll keep you posted, and we'll talk to you later. Until next time, thanks.